Keeping your gutters and roof in good shape is one of the best ways to prevent costly water damage to your home. Clogged gutters and unnoticed roof leaks can lead to rot, mold, and even structural damage. But with regular maintenance, you can keep everything dry and protected. Here's how to handle gutter cleaning and roof leak prevention like a pro. Start with gutter cleaning. Twice a year, ideally in spring and fall, check your gutters for leaves, dirt, and debris. Clogged gutters prevent water from flowing properly, causing it to overflow and pool near your foundation. That's a recipe for leaks and basement moisture. Use a sturdy ladder and wear gloves. Scoop out debris by hand or with a gutter scoop working toward the downspout. Afterward, use a garden hose to flush the gutters and make sure water flows freely. If you notice slow draining, the downspout might be clogged. Tap it gently or run water through it from the bottom up to clear the blockage. Inspect the gutter joints and hangers. Tighten any loose brackets and reseal leaking joints with gutter sealant. If your gutters sag, add new hangers every 2 feet to keep them level. Also, make sure downspouts direct water at least 5 feet away from your home. You can use extensions or splash blocks to improve drainage. Once your gutters are clean, move on to roof leak prevention. Begin by visually inspecting your roof from the ground with binoculars or a drone. Look for missing or curled shingles, damaged flashing, or dark spots that may indicate trapped moisture. If you feel comfortable working on a roof, climb up safely with a harness and inspect the most vulnerable areas. Around chimneys, skylights, and vents. These are common places for leaks. Make sure flashing is tightly sealed and replace any cracked or worn sealant with roofing cement or silicone caulk. Check the ridge caps and shingles. If you find small cracks or exposed nail heads, dab a bit of roofing sealant over them to prevent water intrusion. For larger damaged areas, replace the shingles by sliding a new one under the old layers and securing it with roofing nails. Don't forget to clean out roof valleys, the channels where two slopes meet. Leaves and debris often collect there, causing water to back up and seep under shingles. A quick sweep or rinse keeps these areas clear. Inside your attic, inspect for signs of leaks, water stains, damp insulation, or daylight shining through the roof boards. Catching these early can save you from expensive repairs later. For extra protection, consider installing gutter guards. These mesh or screen covers keep debris out while letting water flow through, reducing how often you need to clean. A few pro tips. Always clean gutters after storms, trim overhanging branches to prevent clogging, and never walk on wet or icy roofs. Use safety gear or hire a professional for steep or high roofs. Gutter cleaning and roof leak prevention may not be glamorous, but they're vital for keeping your home watertight. A few hours of maintenance each year can prevent thousands in damage and give you peace of mind every time it rains.